Attention, please stand by for an important message by the President of the United States. Please follow the instructions given.
As the President of the United States, one say this to every American hearing this with a heavy heart. Our enemies are trying to destroy our country. The enemy has infiltrated our country and our government. Until now, enemies and traitorous snakes have tried to impeach our government officers and even me, the President. They have also tried to destroy our values, our morale and our operations. They have driven our country into turmoil and crisis after crisis. Their behavior has caused the trampling of our Constitution, the thing meant to protect us, and violating the law and the disturbing of the hard workers in our government agencies. This behavior was then trying to incite revolution, violence and total control. They prefer to trample over the American people than fighting against evil and corruption. They will not stop until the Constitution and the judiciary powers and the President are dead or destroyed. With the death of the bodies of government that protect us, they will crush your freedom and rights. They have already managed to control Congress and make them into a puppet to carry out their heinous acts. Our country is at the edge of life and death. As the President of the United States, I must defend our collective happiness and liberty from the enemy that wants to crush it. As the President of the United States of America, I invoke the Insurrection Act of 1807 and martial law, effective immediately. This is the only way to save America and the things we value most. I will vanquish every enemy and traitorous snake inside our government to build a greater America. Thank you very much, and God bless America.
Martial laws that can be executed by the President of the United States during a national emergency, when established. Measures are no longer sufficient to restore law and order. At this time, all National Guard troops have been federalized under the Insurrection Act of 1803. The United States military will be deployed to restore law and order. The following actions were took on December 20th, 2026, in order to protect liberal democracy from anti-state forces active within the United States and their threats to subvert the state, and to ensure public safety. All political activities, including activities of the United States Congress, local councils, political parties, and political associations, rallies and demonstrations, are prohibited. All media and publications are subject to the control of martial law command. Strikes, work stoppages and rallies that incite social chaos are prohibited. All medical personnel must return to their positions within 48 hours. Violating the order will face punishment in accordance with the Martial Law Act. Normal citizens should be subject to measures to minimize inconvenience in their daily lives. Nationwide martial law will be imposed until all anti-state forces and other subversive forces cease and desist. The United States government will not relent until the law and order is restored. Thank you for your attention and cooperation. May God bless America.
This is CBS with a breaking news report. Mass protests have started in major American cities due to the declaration of martial law a few hours ago by the president. Some towns have been completely shut down due to workers and even teens going out to the streets to protest against martial law. The military have been hesitant to fire onto civilians. Cities as Seattle have even refused to let the federalized National Guard to enter into the city's territory, and a lot of cities in blue states as California are in full-on protests. Since the martial law declaration, special forces and SWAT units have started to break into people's homes, mostly activists and journalists, and jail them indefinitely. The military has blocked the entrance to the United States Congress and White House with tanks and armored vehicles. Already various sources and people are speculating that is maybe the calm before the storm, before either a full military takeover or civil war. There are reports of protesters against the martial law shooting at police and military mainly in southern cities as Tampa or Miami. People have also tried to enter various military bases as Area 51 by force, but attempts to do that have failed. We are waiting for more details and information in this time. This is CBS WUSA TV Washington, D.C. We will keep you updated when more information is available.
This is WAMU 88.5 and H885 in your smart speaker and at WAMU.org. Good morning, it's 10:19 a.m. You are listening to WAMU. With news, a few hours ago the president declared martial law for all the United States due to snakes and traitors in the government. Now all of America is in a big mess, mass protests. And even governors and mayors disobeying government orders. If you want to share your story, feel free to call in. We will put your story on air to let everybody know. We're getting our first caller. This is WAMU 88.5. You're talking to Jessica. What is your name and what is going on?
I am Kevin from Washington, D.C. I have some info about what's happening right now near the White House and Congress.
What's happening?
There are a lot of people in the street screaming and throwing rocks at the police and SWAT. People also screaming to impeach the president and vice president. We are currently at the door of the Capitol.
Be careful, you may get shot by the police and SWAT.
Okay, but all of the U.S. Congress are on our side. We have congressmen trying to break through the door, but they are getting pushed back.
Luck breaking into the Capitol. Hope he gets impeached.
The congressmen are motivating us and calling us to go forward. When they go inside, they will lift the martial law and impeach the president from office.
If they actually follow their promises, we might get a better and more just U.S. government and things are going to get really big.
We gotta prepare to enter into the Capitol and White House. If we fail, American democracy will die.
Luck, Kevin, stay safe and alive.
You too, Jessica. I gotta go now, so goodbye.
Everyone, this is what is currently happening in Washington, D.C. This is an extremely serious situation for the government that supports the martial law declaration. We'll keep our lines open and bring you important updates. This is WAMU 88.5 with Jessica. Now we will take an ad break.
This is an NBC News special report. Here's Lester Holt.
We have some breaking news. A few hours ago, people have started breaking into the Capitol building and White House with the help of congressmen and disgruntled political officers against the martial law. Some congressmen have entered the Capitol and have started preparations for an emergency session of Congress to lift martial law. Also, people have broken into the White House.
Currently, a revolt against the established martial law command and the United States president is in progress. Numerous congressmen and people have been spotted entering the White House and Capitol building. This will not be tolerated. We advise all revolters to prepare for immediate punishment and extreme and painful death. This behavior violated all rules and commands given by the martial law command. Everyone that will be caught breaking rules will be immediately executed without trial. If you are a protester or someone that is storming the Capitol or White House, we are coming to expose your traitorous self to the world and bring extreme punishment to all traitors. More troops and special forces will be sent to Washington, D.C. with a kill-on-sight order for anyone outside. We will take back the Capitol building at all costs. There may be bloodshed, but we're sure that all traitors will be punished and executed. Stay at home, do not go outside, or our troops will kill you.
Effect.
All right. Same thing?
Yup. This is our year.
You know, if getting AT&T's best deal on the new iPhone 17 Pro without needing the most expensive plan taught me anything, it's that switching things up can be a good call. So how about we try something that's timeless?
Oh yeah, good call. Ooh. Get the all-new iPhone 17 Pro on us. Designed to be the most powerful iPhone yet. Most expensive plan not required.
What can I get you?
What's good?
2. Go for 2. How about the 2 for $25? You get 1 that and 2 entrees like our new grilled cheese cheeseburger.
This is an official message from the United States Congress. After a vote in Congress, it has been decided that martial law will be lifted, including the Insurrection Act of 1807. At this moment, martial law has been immediately lifted and all soldiers of all branches of military or civil police must return to their posts and retract from all current martial law operations. The president has been captured and is currently being tried for various human rights violations. Please stand by for the playing of Hail Columbia. May God bless America.